Hey guys, welcome to creativesoftz. I'm going to show you all how to apply a tempered glass on the POCO C3. So this is one of the budget phones which is available on Flipkart for around 7,000 to 8,000. Maybe you can get a discount. Let's open this particular tempered glass. This is a tough fleece screen protector Pro Plus. It comes for about 200 to 300, so based on various offers and all. Let's see what you get in the box. So in the box we have the particular tempered glass, some documentations. I have no idea guys why they still provide this documentation even with the smartphones for these days. So let's see what you get. You get a tempered glass over here, and it have this particular film. So with the help of which you need to remove it in the beginning and then apply the tempered glass on your screen. And you get these two kind of sort of fabrics. So one is alcohol based, one is a dry based. So let's open this one. So let's see what it is. There is a kind of a cloth over here, and this I believe is the dry one. So this is the second one, and I believe this one is the first one. So there will be these numbers. You'll have to be very careful guys while installing it. So always remove the first one, and it will be sort of a water based, actually not a water, it will be a alcohol based swab. So with the help of which you can clean up your screen and gently apply it on your screen. There might be minute dust and all. So after applying this particular thing, clean your screen properly 100%, and then you'll be able to apply this particular screen guard. So usually I do not recommend screen guards because it messes up with the oleophobic coating of the screen, and b even if your phone falls from a very distinctive height, there might be a case where okay, your screen might be protected, but the other things like camera and all might be broken. So I do not recommend a screen guard. Especially I had issues with my iPhone 11. You can just check in one of my videos for the iPhone 11 where I actually removed a screen guard which I had used it previously. So later on we have this particular clean kind of cloth which is dry, and whatever this excess of alcohol, we'll just have to remove it and just clean up thoroughly. So usually I use this particular swab, or I use my microfiber cloth for just getting it pitch perfect black. So I'm recording this with the iPhone 11. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the quality of this particular video. I will also share a pro tip where how to install a screen guard. I know many of y'all will be using, you must have installed the screen guard using a debit card and all. So then just to remove the bubbles, but I will tell you a sort of a master trick which will help you all to install the screen guard like a pro. So please watch this particular video till the end for the advanced tips, and let's see how things go on. Let me just sort of peel off this and apply it over here. Also, if you are not subscribed to this particular channel guys, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this particular video, just hit the like button and share it with those people who are planning to buy a new phone. Okay, let me just check out how the position of the screen guard is with respect to the phone. Okay, so once you make in your mind like how this thing is going to be installed, uh, just wipe it and maybe use something like another cloth or a microfiber cloth, just to get pitch like clean, because I usually don't trust the cloths which you get with these particular screen guards. So I use my trusted microfiber cloth for cleaning it. So I just rub it like quite a bit, and until like I don't see even the minute dust guys, because please remember this: once you install it, and if there is a dust between the screen and the scratch guard, there is no way of removing it. So after this, we'll just peel off the screen guards, the protective casing, and place it slightly, slightly below it. A reason why I'm doing it is because of the additional sensors which is there on your phone might not be working. Like I had this particular video with my iPhone 11, where I've explained it, and I had this issue with the Face ID also with the iPhone 11. If you specially install a screen guard, so once you make sure that the placement of it, so from start from the bottom, don't start from top of the phone. So once you carefully place it, okay, and just tap it. This is the pro tip, guys. Do not ever use a debit card. I know most of y'all will be using it, but I do not recommend this. So this is one of the best way of it, of installing it. As you can see, it is automatically going up, and there are no bubbles, guys. This is one of the best screen guards I found ever on any of the smartphones. So I think I made a slight mistake. Let's see, let's check it properly, because I might have placed it slightly below it. So if possible, let me just try it to reinstall it just by removing it. It is perfectly fine, guys, if you are using tempered glass. Okay, if you like this particular video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for my watching my video.